Just, you gotta drink. It's all about the way that you have to position your head to drink out. You have to drink to the bottom. You don't have to do it in one go, though. Do it in two. You have to drink quite a bit.
Go, come on.
Drink.
No, that has to be flat against your head.
I'm good now.
There you go.
God, you don't even have to mess up. It just looks stupid.
You're rude, Adrian.
Drink. And water's good for you. You have to drink the whole glass.
I don't want a headache.
You gotta drink the last.
Maybe because you had a knife to your
Mommy, I love the hiccups.
And he's not even a dog.
Tyler got the hiccups.
Come on, hurry up. Stop. Tyron. Oops. Got off that playlist then. Are they gone? Are they gone? Are they?
I think they're gone.
Woo!
Doesn't work right away.
That is the hiccup cure
I don't think I have it.
given by that guy.